Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Boss Lady Swag Box. So this is a monthly subscription for female entrepreneurs or fempreneurs or whatever you want to call it. I love the box. It's really cool. And then it says here, build your, oh, is it not this? Yeah, it says it's building an empire. There it is. I saw this like in my, my little queue for like a week now. So this is their October box. It's $35 month to month. They do have a prepay and get a reduced price for longer subscription terms. I have reviewed this one a while ago. I think it's very first box. It's a nice little box. It had a good response from you guys too, so I'm like curious. Let's see what's in here. So I will obviously link down below to Boss Lady Swag Box. I will also link to my full review where you can check out the whole in-depth thing. But we're just gonna pop in here and get all the stuff out. All right, we have our insert here, Boss Lady Swag Box. And then Boss Lady Boss Up Swag Box October. And so it lists each of the items that are included. All right, I'm just going to grab items one by one. Right here we have a notepad. Happiness is checking things off. Dana Lee collection. Super cute notepad with 100 pages. This does have a magnet, which I love because then my kids can't steal it. I put it up on the fridge and they just don't touch it. They don't even realize it can come off, I don't think. I love the little purple and white colors. I usually use these, honestly, for grocery lists. That's just my go-to thing. I'm like, yes, or to-do list. Okay, our book. I don't know if every box comes with a book. I can't remember. I'll have to put that in the review. This is The Queendom Presents Boss Up or Bitch Up. Life Lessons a Former Teen Mom Used to Start a Business and Killed Entrepreneurial Game by Queen Mingo. No Bullshitting Series, Book 1. So this looks really cool. Like, no bones about it. We're going to talk about real stuff. My neighbor would probably really like this because she is like all about career mom and all that stuff. So, all right, there's that. Boss Lady. And it has glass. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's not glass, it's plastic. And it has these little glass decals on it. Celebrations. Who's that company? I don't remember. But it says Boss Lady there. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love these little wine glasses. I don't actually drink wine. It has too much sugar. But I do like, I'll put water in these and they make me feel so classy. Love it. All right, moving right along. So this is from, this is, I think, from the same Dana Lee. No, this is from Ecolo Ltd. I've received so many, like, products from them before. This is a super cute mirror keychain. Coffee Mascara Hustle. Cheering you on. Oh, my gosh. So look at that. And it looks like it has a mirror. Oh, it is Dana Lee. Yes, it is. I knew it. It's the same because it's called the Super Cute Collection. Believe in the girl staring back at you. She's making things happen. So how cool is that? Coffee Mascara Hustle. Love it. All right. Oh, I love this box. Okay, we only have one item left, but it's like a set, which I'm in love with. Oh my gosh, just looking at it right now. So this is this also from Dana Lee? No, it doesn't look like it. So this is from Boxed Business Exclusive, acrylic tray stationery set. So we have, like, this is a, like, there's like a box. There's literally like a plastic set, and you set this on your little area, on your desk scape, and you have this Forever Busy memo pad. You have these really two cool pens. Look at these pens. Aren't those really neat? You have rose gold paper clips. You have these little stud T-pins, or not T-pins, but I should say corkboard things, and then binder clips that are also in rose gold. I don't have any like that, and I really love it. I love that it's in this plastic set too, because it would make a really cool gift. So let's go over everything that we received. We received the stationery set, the book, Boss Up or Bitch Up. I love that. The notepad, which is really cool. The wine glass and the keychain. I think this is really cool. I think if you are starting a business and you're just looking for items that make you feel motivated, but also give you some, like, just good things to look at, like those things that make you feel like you have it all together even when you don't, because you need to feel like that to keep going and powering through. This is definitely one of those subscription boxes. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Boss Lady Swag Box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.